Hello, academic success and students. Welcome to your asynchronous assignment for the day. Um, Let me go over what you need to do. Hopefully this looks familiar. So here it is. It's your weekly check-in. So basically what you're doing for the asynchronous assignment is you're just completing the regular weekly check-in. Please make sure that you kind of go over the information in here to guide you through spring break. So a couple of reminders: make sure that you're checking on Google Classroom under materials. Each subject has a tab, so find some resources for history, chemistry, English. If you're missing any of the assignments, try to look for some of them there so you can make up some assignments. Also, spring breaks starts on Monday. The date is March 29th through April 9th. So we will be back on Zoom on April 12th. We will start with week 8. So have restful 2 weeks of break. So just the only thing you need to do is complete the weekly question. So the question is, what are your plans for spring break? Share at least 2 things that you plan on doing. Be specific and share details. Remember, you're trying to communicate to us, right? So sharing as many details as possible makes you a better writer. So the sentence starter is, for spring break, I plan on, and then you just let us know what you're planning on doing. I would also like you to, the last part of the assignment is just check your week 12 grades. Before you go on a break, before you put your computer away and take some well-deserved break, think about your grades, right? Where you're standing right now. What are your next steps? Do you need to do any work at all during the break, or you're good? And that's it. Really, that's the only thing you have to do for today's assignment. This will be posted on Google Classroom, and have a wonderful spring break.